This is a portable wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit from BMOSTE, a company specializing in producing technology and products that specialize in bringing media on seamless transmission experiences. This kit comes with everything you need to wirelessly broadcast your laptop or desktop screen to your television. It's great for presentations, watching movies, and even playing games. Setting this thing up is super simple. All you have to do is take the included USB-C power cable and plug it into the transmitter dongle, and then connect it to the HDMI port on your PC or laptop. The dongle itself can get power by either plugging it into an outlet or by plugging it directly into your USB port if your PC can provide enough power. You'll then see the blue light come on and your screen will flicker, letting you know that it's connected and working. Then all you have to do is go to your television and plug the receiver dongle into an available HDMI port on the back of the TV, either directly or using the HDMI extension cable that comes with the kit, and then connect the dongle to power by plugging it into an outlet or an available USB port on the back of the TV, again if your TV can provide enough power. Once everything is connected and your laptop is in range, your laptop display should be transmitting instantly to the television screen. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit is amazing. It can broadcast up to 1080p with virtually no lag and at high quality. It's good enough to stream your highest quality movies and YouTube videos and anything else you want to stream directly from your PC. It works on both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands in order to give you the lowest latency possible.